you ever see dead cats hanging from your ceiling?
Mr. Fluffers, is that you?
I guess you could say you have a major problem.
I see dead cats. I see dead cats. I see dead cats. If you have this problem, call 1-800-DEAD-CATS. We will give you purple poo.
Side effects may include bleeding eyes, cannibalism, growing of left foot, rainbow skin or flammability, or death. If you experience any of these, please call your doctor and do the potty dance.
Do the potty dance. Do. Back across, step, turn, twist, celebrate! Wow! We have a delicious selection of low-fat yogurt.